If you love Disney, you need to try this. Today we're crafting a delightful paper Mickey Mouse. Gather your materials: black, red, yellow, and white craft paper, scissors, glue, pencil, ruler, black marker, and a small circle to trace. First, trace a large circle on the black paper for Mickey's head and two smaller circles for the ears. Cut them out. Next, cut a red semicircle for his shorts and two small white circles for the buttons. Don't forget two yellow ovals for Mickey's shoes. Now let's assemble. Glue the ears to the back of the head. Then draw Mickey's eyes and nose with the marker. Glue the red semicircle to the bottom of the head for the shorts. Add the white buttons and the yellow shoes. For final touches, trim any edges and add arms or hands if you like. Voila! You've got an adorable paper Mickey Mouse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun crafting tutorials.